One foot smell like blood clot, toe jam. That bun me no girl.
So me just stay pretty, extra small, and it fit.
You can't make this rub against your gum, you know.
In the lead up to the Olympics, Lyle said something about how he knows the secrets in Jamaican track and field.
If you have anything you want to talk about or ask, me ready.
Welcome to the social media countdown. It's a Monday. Let's go. Oh, I tell you about the girl and there is Max. Oh, my Mr. Redeem. You don't know, say I don't bear upon the truck. All right. Yeah. Unani, give me unani, wa punani, give me unani, wa unani, give me unani, wa unani, black punani, Chinese punani, Indian punani, vegetable pani, Manglan punani, porridge punani, noni punani, American punani. Give me the glamity, oh, it a fi mad me. Give me the glamity, oh, it a fi shot me. Yo, no, enough for shot me. Don't shot me, don't shot me, don't shot me, don't shot me, don't shot me.
I know what you're thinking. Did he fire 6 shots or only 5?
Alexa, pause. Whoa, yeah, what? Alexa! Alexa being so submissive today. I love that for you, Alexa. You see, them type of song you didn't want to hear all along. Them type of carelessness you didn't want to hear. Max Cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to the Monday edition of the Social Media Top 10 Countdown. We have a whole heap of topics to talk about. Of course, Cartel. Cartel, now that you're out of prison, I feel like you go out the Spice. Because Spice now let them on the countdown every week, but since Cartel has been out, Cartel depend the countdown. He have the pop culture streets locked. Anyway, so let's jump into today's countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Jerry Bicycle. Me. Two-wheel. Alright, burritos know, so I don't know. You might not know this brother named Jerry. Yes, man, he has been taking over the social media streets. So some time ago, he did a, not really pop the balloon, but a 20 verses one where he was looking for his lover. And so since then, his celebrity has been growing. Everybody who follow up the TikTok streets know who Jerry is. And so recently, while he was on his way doing some errands, some fans, we don't know what fans them call, maybe them call the Jerryites, they decided to scream out his name and ball him down. Take a look.
Mega wire, you know, Jerry.
Yeah, fine, wonderful.
Mega wire.
Yeah, man,
you know what
yeah, man, Christmas.
Jerry. No, Jerry, mega wire, baby.
Wonderful.
Jerry! Jerry Moya, baby! I went there! Jerry! May I come look for you later here?
Let's tell the support me.
That's when you know you're famous. That is ghetto famous. I love it. And me like say Jerry, you know, Jerry not really have focus, you know. Jerry now focus on what the people must say. He's still on his way while still entertaining his fans. And so, you know, say he really humble an article and really love the people them who rock with him. So let's cheers to Jerry getting more success and hopefully more money and all of these things and more moments as well. So yeah, man, big up. Number 9, 1 Nardo. All right, Mistal. All right, now, so if you are a University of the West Indies student, if you ever go on campus, it's a one-stop shop you're supposed to pass through. You have to go there. If you never stop at this man's stall, it don't make sense to call yourself a college person. And that may I talk about Nardo. Nardo's style, may I tell you, the man have everything. Like right now, I wouldn't be surprised if not Nardo all are still clocks. Are you? The man just have every little food item. He have a menu there. You know, you can get your hot dog, them, you can get your biscuit, them, you can get your juice, your water, bag juice, everything galore. Nardo has it. And one of the biggest supporters of Nardo is, of course, the fluffy diva herself, Mrs. Kitty, right now. I'm correct myself here, because you know, Miss Kitty still. You can't just, Mrs. Kitty, man, she's very big on the name, and so Mrs. Kitty. Okay? And so here's what happened when they caught up.
Check. It's your one Queen Diva, Miss Kitty. I could have never two. I could have one Nardo and never two. Big up to Nardo on the University of the West Indies campus from them time till now. You understand? Boss fear every boss. Dan fear every Dan. You understand? Ever militant. Good father. Listen, if you want to get your hot dog, you want to get your cheese dog, if you want to get a good vibe, come to Nardo's right here over the Faculty of Humanities and Education. Yeah, and that's the truth for God love. You understand? 102 hour move. La 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 la.
La 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 la. No, Jesus Christ, your tongue after. No about your. For that, you know, I don't want like a regular degla yafe, have the little speed man yafe. You know, like when they're on TikTok, and you press and you do the times 2. Yeah, man, your tongue after the pan times 2 for do the little. You know, like when you do boxing and you go so. And I saw, yeah man, your tongue for the pandel type of rapidamente, bomba, come to Spanish. Yeah man, por favor, yeah, speedomita bone up, oh wow. You say I true me about Kitty, me I break out in a song, you know. Yeah man, the spirit of Miss Kitty just reached me a while ago. So anyway, Burritos, let me know, are you familiar with Nardo's style? Sound off below. Number 8, Tooth Tough, me. All right, Burritos know, so let me just go tell you this, you know, like, did you know that there is a national toothbrush of Jamaica? Do you know, can you picture what the national toothbrush of Jamaica is? I'm gonna give you a second, man, come on, know it. You don't want real Jamaican if you don't have one of these toothbrush that can also double as like a shoes brush. Yeah, man, because the way, yeah, man, that, that one day you could have fight war Iraq with it, man. May I tell you, You take that and all graze your skin, piece of your epidermis gone, disappear. Au revoir. You get me? Adios. Yeah, man. So, take a look at this video.
Well, Ali, I brush my teeth to go on my bed, but me have to post this. You see the teeth brusher? I don't know who make them, but anybody make them forget lock up. Hey, you can't make this rub against your gum, you know. Me say if this rub against your gum, me tear off your gum. You ever know the wire brush them where they use for scrub off rusty iron? This could I use. Me say, this is tough. It's tough. This is tear up your gum, all your tongue, and you tear up your whole of your mouth. Anybody make them, my brother, they me don't know.
You see what me I talk Burritos? That's what me I tell her the strength. What Shaggy did sing? The strength of a woman, well, that is the strength of a toothbrush. Me I tell her the Jamaican national toothbrush. It come in all different colors. You have white, red, blue, all of them, and me I tell them come like a what you call it, something like washing brush. I'm convinced a washing brush material them take and make that shoes brush. Worse when you know what kill me? Are the people them who have the nerve, you know, if you see them have all soft, I mean them, all the soft come like say it's a concrete, you know. And you see if you are the person who go out there and you see that toothbrush and you go for hard, yeah man. You know, I don't know what a life, man. You could have literally go and run up and down with Bin Laden them. Like, you're about that life. Because you see what that will do to your gums and your tongue. Jesus, P, man. But something about it, me like it still because it make it feel like you actually brush your teeth. And when the brush like too soft, like it feel like nothing to do. Like your mouth still feel frowsy. But you see, when you use the brush there and all piece of your ligament tear off now, you're like, yeah, man, my mouth clean. Sure, there is blood. Sure, me don't have no gums after this. But at least, okay? Yeah, man. Well, I go say something a while ago, you know, like, I just shut my mouth a while ago, you know, like, I shut my mouth because the Burritos, them I go think say me just out of there. Anyway, me just alright, stop. Alright, bye. Number 7, Lisa Choker. Mick. Alright. Alright, Burritos. No, so me tell you say, you know, Cartel, he's no longer in prison. Him out in these streets, him and see them, you know, I pre them and I enjoy life and all kind of things, right? And so Cartel depend, you know, Cartel are the no, I be the man of the girls them sugar. Cartel are the what?
Yo, different type of girl from all over the world.
Cartel are the teacher's pet, right? Different type of girl from all over the world. Want to be the teacher's pet. Anything teacher want, teacher get. Sing it for me.
Your girl is girl.
Yeah, come and know the rest of the song. Some of us today. You know the little artist thing. They will tell you me I practice for ton of artists in a way. It does. We don't know the song. All right. And so it look like, say, Lisa, she is no longer Lisa Hyper. She is Lisa Choker. Because that is what Cartel has been doing whenever he sees her. Okay? Oh, God. But me, I wonder if I do that when I see her in front of see them. Because the two see them, somebody else saw. See, saw, Wombat, bars. Yo. You saw me do that a while ago? See her, see, saw. I'm not really ready for my artist thing. Watch your video, Dave.
That feel good, yeah? That feel good. 1, 2. Yeah. That's right. Hey. 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 Panama, Yemen, Philippines, Jamaica.
No, Lisa, man. Lisa Hyper. Yet, no. I like Lisa, you know, but like, you know, but I just not like, you know, like, it just look like she become a little mockers. A little mockers for Cartel, man. I mean, like, nah, man, Lisa Hype, man. Like, nah, man. I really, you know, all the way you go through and all kind of top now and then now you just still live up to the mock. Nah, man. But I hope all of these little chokings can make it secure another collab with the boss. Because that would be a good look. I mean, know the people them and the fans them would love to hear that as well. So, my readers, are you here for Lisa getting all of these chokings? Sound off below. Numero 6. Oral versus Junelle. Alright, Junelle, je m'appelle Junelle, j'adore, Kouka, on the toit, 4-5, j'habite à Kingston, quelle est ton nationalité? No, that's Spanish. Jesus Christ. That's why I can't be too multilingual. Anyway, readers know. So let me go tell you this. For 40 days and 40 nights, we have been talking about Junelle Brumfield, Noah Lyles, and the whole thing about people them Makosar, and she feel hurt and Jamaica Wiki Tour. I'm kind of over it right now. I am over it. Me over it. Okay? Me get it. Junelle, you feel away. You, #Spice, feel away. Alright? You're proud of your black skin, you're proud of your melanin. And you see the haters them, who no just a hate 40 days and 40 nights. Who no can't stand the girl because of what our man did say. Who no like her, who no tell her everything makes you feel bad. And that is okay if you know. If that make you no sleep at night, that is it. So now can we just lay everything together and put it to rest? Absolutely not. Because now Oral Tracy, he's talking about the situation and he must say, what do Junelle? Junelle, je m'appelle, don't have nothing to fear because Jamaican people don't even care about you anywhere. Take a look.
Still I'm going to say it again. Nobody no do Junelle Brumfield. Nothing. Junelle Brumfield has not been disrespectful to anybody. She just have no her thing. They're her boyfriend and a flash with her boyfriend. Tell her already not there. Is jealous. Most of the people who abuse Junelle Brumfield are Jamaican women. They feel say a little black girl from the countryside not supposed to be with the big superstar runner. A bad mind and jealousy. None for them abuse what she get. None for them, nobody now do Junelle Brumfield. Nothing. See? And them things that she complain about abuse. Gaslight, she gaslight. Somebody said she might be seeking asylum. She wants to stay in America with her man. That is why she gaslight the thing that talk about people. Nobody now do Junelle Brumfield. Nothing. Now, in the age of social media, if you're going to spend your life worrying about what people type on social media about you, I suggest you're going to be awfully distracted in that little life of yours. Don't pay people no mind. Go through and do your thing. See?
Oh, okay, Oral. No, man. Nah, man, no, Oral. Oral, one thing, you know, Oral, I gonna live up to film name. Jesus P, man. That man is going to vocalize. Okay? You know, they have like Spanish exam and them get the, I don't know what physically I get. You get the theory, and you get the oral. Yeah, man. Oral, him go Oral and Tracy together. I'm tell you about her name, you know. Because he never just Tracy, you know, him Tracy she. Oh God, that was corny. I am hilarious, you know. Honestly, I am, oh God, if more people just got my corny sense of humor. Anyway, all right, so, yeah, man, so Oral Tracy did a talk, and there was someone that was very busy in a geometry set that never liked what Oral said. She was perched in the geometry set because when she looked around, all she was seeing is all angles. You get me? It was the 360. So then Dion just jumped out and said, I am here and I got something to say. Tadam, take a listen.
And first up, me and Oral Tracy work together at TVJ, all right? And we get on fine. We're not enmity. We argue a whole heap. Anybody in the newsroom can tell you that, sometimes at the top of our voices. But this is the first time I'm answering him on YouTube, and that is because I came across a video he did on the Janelle Bromfield situation, and I said, no, me have to answer. So let me respond to some of the things Oral said in that commentary, one by one. First of all, nobody now does Janelle nothing. So that is discounting how she feels. Let us not do that. If people feel a certain way, let them feel it, right? Stop trying to tell them there is no reason for what they are experiencing and what they are going through, because it is completely irrelevant if I would react that way, if you would react that way, or if you, Tracy, would react that way. That's irrelevant, really. The only thing that's important is that Janelle has had a particular experience, and because of that particular experience, she says she feels afraid coming to Jamaica right now. That is her prerogative. None of we can tell her that she is wrong to feel that way. Also, Tracy literally says in his video, death threats are not to be taken lightly. But boss, you know, done the argument right there, so. You done your own a video there, so you done your own a commentary right there, so. Because she said she got a death threat. So once she said that, argument's supposed to done.
That is it, you know, Dion. That is it, Dion. Dion say, even though we are co-worker, you know, we don't have to agree, we can get another ring, and we are going to debate. And so, Dion, she shared her points, and I would tend to agree. And I do think, you know, there's a part of what Oral said as well that you have to kind of consider. And so when you put both things together, it is just like, maybe there is just some misunderstanding, some overreacting. But once again, when it comes down to emotions and certain things that you have to take precaution for, you can't really judge nobody, because who feels it knows it. And also has somebody who is in the public eye who has also had their moment where, you know, slander and all of these things are happening. Me I go tell you, say, everything can be overwhelmed. Because the same way, you will have 10 positive comments, and if you get 3 negative, it will really feel as if the whole world is against you. When you have to stop yourself and say, adjust 3. And so, if certain things could have reached me, other people, and them feel like them never want to step outside of them house, what Janelle went through, like, you're going to say, yeah. But then there is another element to it that I feel like people feel like it comes across that how she is feeling is being branded. And so I've listened to some of the haters who, when I consider like, them not really go below the belt, and how the packaging of Janelle's pain is coming across. It feels like a PR platform to some people. And that I can be like, There is a sentiment out there that in it is like, these Jamaicans, they are awful. And I feel like as somebody who is in Jamaica, who knows the beauty and the joy and the support, I don't really find a lot of that a part of the conversation and the branding. So far, from her standpoint, it seems a lot of the branding is that these people are awful. These people cannot be trusted, and these people won't make you feel safe. And that is the part where me like, maybe she have to tweak it in. But I think that will come when people get to know her more. So when they think about the girl who is feeling a lot of pain, sorry, I'm gone on a TED Talk, but when they're thinking about the girl who's feeling a lot of pain and she's going through a rough time, but then on social media, she has served you, I'm unbothered, me I live life, ooh you, girl rich flex, like yeah man, me there, me and my man, I don't care, me out here, wish you could be me. You see when you have those two messages, so yeah, get this over here, so you know, like, whoa, look at me, oh my God, I'm so hurt by Jamaica. I think a lot of people know, them are like, oh, where the girl here come from? Because it seem like you just check in with your pain, and then you come out of the office when a time for us be a hot girl and floss and then stun. So I think that, Janelle, is where people, them not really understand who are you in totality and how you're aligned, especially as it relates to your feelings towards Jamaica. And for the people them who are being negative, y'all disgusting. And Uno need to really heal, because a lot of Uno just project on people who are living better than Uno and cause Uno to be distracted from Uno actual realities. Because you see, if Uno ever have to take the time and actually sit down and realize that Uno life is very disgusting, Uno broke, Uno not have money, Uno not elevate, Uno don't contribute nothing of meaning to society, and when you not go to bed at night time and think about Uno future, Uno realize that Uno future is nada, zero, because Uno not put one uplifting thing in this world. The only uplifting thing you ever contribute to is to when your mother and your father, they go dugu and them go lego, them little juice and secretion. That is the only part of goodness we don't ever contribute to the society. So you see, that is where y'all negative people who wish bad upon people online go and go sort out up here. So go heal before you project on your own issues on other people. That is it for my TED Talk. Lord have mercy. Oh, wow. I want to listen, you know. Number 5, Conscience shoes made foot bottom. All right, now, so recently Conscience decided to, I guess, do a little action, you know, just give up one of his name brand shoes them to some lucky person, and it never really go over so well. Just take a look and tell me if you can see why.
Yo, hear me I say. See them shoes, yeah? I wear them 3 times, this is the 3rd time. And I want to send them to any fan who wear 9.5. I go type in the caption and tell you how you can get it. If I wear 9.5, I go ship it to you. It's Bottega. Now watch it to them. Everything good. See?
You know, I was Conscience, you had me. You had me and then you lost me at some of the point, and like when you give her the shoes, I say, yeah man, good initiative. But you see, when celebrities usually do it, them they normally in the shoes and I show them foot or come out or when they give her the ear. Them, you know, I go see Shensi go up on live and I take out the ear one time and just dry it out, so fling it on the ground and I say, who want it? Them normally just kind of showcase it in a particular way. You know, like when you sell car, you know, it's a certain presentation. So I think that's why, but like the idea that you're giving your shoes to a fan, I mean, people who support you and would have loved to be that close to you and say, boy, you know, I have on Conscience shoes, or may I wear this from Conscience, or I have this in my house put up because my idol give me this. It's a moment. And so Conscience, of course, he heard the feedback and he put out a video and, you know, kind of showed people the giving away process.
Yo, no, relax.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me.
That is it, Burritos, that is it. That is it. So you see, all that ends well because me I tell you right now, if Shensi have to do this, me I tell you nobody not even have a problem. All man, me I tell you, all man would want all Shensi shoes. Them now wear it, you know. but just we take it and sniff it. Me I tell you, so there are supporters and fans out there who really like to be close to artists and want editing. So at this moment, I am actually going to auction off something to any one of you people out there who want it. I'm going to give away my socks. Okay? If you can see my socks, right? Hold on. Jeez, I'm coming, Barry. So my socks, any one of y'all who want my socks out there, you get me? It is, I think it is, what's the brand? I think it's Balmain. Balmain. I think it's a Balmain. Like I paid like probably about 6,500 USD. Yeah, man. I bought for it. So if anyone want the socks, I'm going to give it away to any one of you burritos. Please, somebody buy it, because it will really look embarrassing if nobody not actually want it. At least one person. My spirit says somebody with name start with A and L. So if it's a Lisa and an Abigail. Lisa, Hannah, we just shoot for the stars there, you never know.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Number 4, Shenseea brand. All right, now, so burritos, let me tell you this. Shenseea was recently announced as the new Sunshine Snacks ambassador. And another Sheena, our son Rogero, is an ambassador as well. Good news, right? Yeah, man. But there are some naysayers that feel that Shenseea as a brand should not or does not necessarily align with a brand like Sunshine Snacks that should be family friendly. And this was a part of a conversation that The Fix had on a recent episode. Check it out.
Brand that Sunshine Snacks is. That's where I can kind of see the argument there, that or at least the gripe that some people have.
Right.
But I'd more point the finger towards the companies out there, because some of them companies are hypocrite and them deserve to be called out. Because when it comes on to say other entities now, you would hear the excuses, oh, them cost too much bad word. Oh, them this or them that.
And this doesn't align with our brand.
This don't align with our brand. But yet still, them would have quick for sponsor the artists that talk about 1, anal sex, 2, promiscuity, 3, what do video with devil and all that sitting there. All sort of all lesbian, all sort of
hit and run.
So all them sit their job. So I think the virtual should be more pointed and the microscope should be more pointed, or at least the company for more under the microscope and pre them and feed them hypocrisy more than a Shenseea.
Okay, you know what? You say I love Shenseea, you know, like I can understand a part of the alignment, but I still feel that although Shenseea kind of touched on certain things, her brand as like a mother, it has been maintained in terms of how she and her son interact and that little, that type of support and how they really banter with each other. I feel like that has been pretty solid and consistent from the start. So let me hear you, burritos. Do you think this is a great alignment? Sound off below. Number 3, boss preaching. All right, burritos now. So, yeah, man, the video here, man, the video here. So, you know, the last time they post a video with one teacher where they show, say, before she entered the classroom and after. So, now this person now showed, like, you know, them never take JUTC in a while and decided to go and take the JUTC. And this is what they buck up into. Take a look.
Yo, Brad. Easy. Reach your word, brother. Reach your word, brother. What church is it for? No, I hear that. What you know Jesus for? Reach your word, brother. Reach your word. What you know Jesus for? I'm a glory. Who thinks about Jesus? The leaders of you. Puppet. My face. Jesus Christ. Nice. You don't have a nice boy. I'm waiting. This is everybody not here, you know. This is not me, everybody here. God bless you. Have a great day, my boss. Have a great day, my boss. God don't have to bless nobody. Have a great day.
No, man, that is wild. That is that is wild. But a typical day in Jamaica. Because you know how long? When I saw this, it brought back some core memories that when you take a JUTC bus, you know, 7 out of 10 times you're going to book up on a pastor or somebody go up there and preach, and then of course want to collect a little money, and sometimes them people here, you wonder if they're actually a church goer, actually a preacher, because sometimes it could be a drunk man that come from a bar where decide say want to make money and remember 1 and 2 scripture and him go up there, but you never know what you're getting. You get me? When you jump into a JUTC bus. And so this one of the man them never like what did I go on and him start for cuss, and I'm just like, wow. Because I know a lot of the people then probably wonder like, why wasn't he allowed to preach? Some years ago, it's actually a law. It actually is a rule that no preaching. Preaching is prohibited? Yes, in the public transport. And so, you know, this is what happened. Now me I hear all kind of story about something happened to the pastor after he was removed from the bus and acid and Kofat. It is not confirmed. But I'd love to hear from you, Burritos. Do you have a problem with pastors jumping on public transport to share the word of God? Or do you think that, you know, they should do that and refrain from, you know, going on public transport with their messages? Sound off below. Number 2, Jamaican Chat GPT. Louis Bennett. All right, now, Burritos. So, let me just go tell you this, you know, like, me have to just bring it up for Jamaica, because Jamaica in everything. Any little update, any little new beginnings, anything creative that is happening in this world, there has to be some Jamaicanization of the situation, okay? That will be enjoymentical for all of us, okay? And so, just listen, because, you know, ChatGPT, they might do them upgrades, AI and all kind of things, and they have now leveled up to the point where they're able to chat and converse in Jamaican Creole, the patois. Take a listen.
Whoa, that's really cool. I'm excited to test out voice mode.
Awesome. I'm excited too. How's the voice mode experience for you so far?
It's going good, but it would be really even cooler if you could talk in Jamaican patois.
No problem, me brother. Me can chat you in a patois all day long. What you want for reason about?
Whoa, that's really good. Which part of Jamaica are you from?
Me not actually from Jamaica, but me love the culture and the language.
Whoa, you sure you're not from here?
Me swear, me day have to help and chat with you in any way me can. If you have anything you want to talk about or ask, me ready.
Alright, tell me what you know about Kingston.
Well, Kingston are the capital and cultural heart of Jamaica. You can find the Bob Marley Museum if you learn about the reggae legend. The city full of vibrant music, art and food scene. Plus, you have the Blue Mountain close by, perfect for hike and get some famous Blue Mountain coffee.
No man, that is weird. Alexa, how are you?
Things are looking up because Monday is half over. Phew.
Alexa, can you speak patois?
Your echo is always on and waiting for the wake word. Just say your customized wake word followed by...
Alexa, can you speak Jamaican Creole?
I don't know how to speak Jamaican Creole English yet. ChatGPT...
Alexa, shut up, honestly, because I can't bother Alexa. Say, Alexa, you need to go jump up to like ChatGPT level. Because I'm trying to converse with you in patois now and you can't do it. You don't have the features to do it yet. Step your game up, okay? This is what you're competing with out here. You can't feel comfortable. I saw the new girls them are running your head at. You have to keep up with the game. You slip, you slide. At the next countdown, I could be talking to a new ChatGPT what you call it now, software, and not you. You want that for yourself, Alexa? Oh, she was quiet now. All right. So, Burritos, just let me know, are you here for the technology? I am very much here for it because now I know what ChatGPT really stands for. That the P in there actually stands for patois. Look at that. We would have never known if only we can find out where the P, where the G and the T stand for. Let me know what you think it means down below. And number 1 goes to TC and the extra small dress. Whoa! 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 Woo! Yeah! Oh God, extra small. Woo! Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. #1 goes to TC and her extra small dresses. Oh my God, it's extra small. Oh my God. Yeah, TC and her extra small dresses. All right, my readers, no, so TC was there. It was a calm evening afternoon. Birds were chirping. What you call it? Prince was sleeping here, something screaming. All of that was happening in the atmosphere. Whence there came Annie, out of, we don't know she name Annie. Annie, she name, we just call her Annie. Oh God, Annie from Rosal. Anyway, so there she came and she was just like, I am going to spread destruction on the land. Take a listen.
So now that I see that video there with TC, I see why I'm going to go on Fashion Nova and she in the extra small them sold out. Can I force on a designer body them in the extra small and no do extra small. And I don't want to be extra small because if you did want to be extra small, you know, go under the knife, get ass, hips, snipped and dipped. So why don't want to wear in a size? What medium do now? What medium do now? Why don't want to leave the extra small to the actual extra small girlies like myself? The size 0 them. It's already so hard to find things that fit us because every Instagram boutique and every boutique I go for the BBL fashion and for the girl them with the shape. When I go Dr. Miami go do no body. Buy one size and leave the extra small. Them for the girl them were actually small. Go buy the medium. You know, just in the things them no coochie probably not even a breed cause you know in a size where no phone no.
Yeah man, oh God. Yeah man, the girl talk about TC, you know, she talk about TC and the girl them do them body and how them now wear them size and it a took from the people them who actually want buy extra small. And no man, Chili Bringle. Me I fear wonder like Jesus Christ, who like where this come from? Where this come from? But at the end of the day, this is social media, you know, and people know exactly the type of things to say to get attention. Cause look at it. People are talking. People, yeah man, the girl here, she make for Twitter. She make for Twitter. This is a Twitter personality. When them can say everybody has show love, and them just say, me don't like this. Too much people have been nice right here, so. Let me just go sprinkle some little chaos right here, so chaos and confusion. And that is what she did. So, the word will get around to TC now. And TC, but wait, before we go jump to that, you might be wondering, what the dress did really look like? What the dress that was in question? Take a look at the evidence. The evidence.
Pretty what you say now. So me just there pretty, extra small, and it fits.
Tell the people them some slip the back and stitch it back.
Never. I never that.
Tell the people them some wish by your ear them slit it. Tell the people them some slit it.
Lie guys, yeah?
No man, TC look good. TC look good in the dress though, cause like apparently when me I hear from the girl them say a lot of these dresses they actually have them stretchable. So it's very stretchy material that can really configure to most body sizes and shapes. And so TC got wind of it now, and it looked like Sophia basket it full up, and she could not take it anymore. She went live and decided for just vent.
Leave my girl, don't take no set pa my girl. Don't take no set pa my girl. Me no want nobody take no set pa me. Leave me alone in Jesus' name. My mother grow me good. Me no trouble nobody. Me not trouble nobody. She go as far as I talk about people are squeeze up in an extra small. Them coochie supposed to stink. And them something the girl. Like for real. Over one little dress me I'm afraid I have a funny moment about. Somebody really can't have a problem with that. I'm saying I never pay no mind, you know. But I realize that uno on the internet, uno talk about people are bully and uno the biggest set of bully.
You know what? I feel like I will agree with what TC is saying. Like, me understand. This is just frustration. You know, like a frustration I come out because she can't understand how she and her friends are share a little random moment, just having fun, and it got taken out of context to become something else. And for most people who are in the public eye, this is what you have to deal with. And that's the frustrating part. Because where I always say is that you see, when you're here, the rules are you are not really allowed to talk about anything and anyone that is seen as if you're talking down. If at the same thing with the people them down you start talking, you can't say it. I just saw it there. So if you're rich, you have to be careful when you give critique. But you see the ones them down here, so they have free range to say any and everything until them reach up here so and them realize what life up here so is really like. And so for me, that is why I like that there are a lot of micro influencers now and people who are on TikTok who are get them own celebrity, even if it's like at a small level, because now people are getting a taste of celebrity life and realizing, say, sometimes when I see some people that deal with certain things and celebrities that get vexed and whatever, and because them are regular people and them just reach up here so now and now people start to attack them. But if you got a moment where you came up here too, you would have realized, so you would have get up one day and you just mind your business and eat one piece of dumpling and somebody get up and say, so why can't eat piece of Irish? Every day you know say I'm dumpling, so is what dumpling do him. Something wrong with him? Oh, because probably him teeth too brittle, so him can't I'm dumpling. And you're just like, no, my breakfast, but I try to forget. And so that is this world, you know, of public figure type of status, TC. You have to just get used to it. People are going to use their name for bring it down just because it will get likes, comments, and shares. And people also have their own trauma. So that is my 2 cents, you know. Like, boy, oh boy. TC, hang in there. And for that girl, I hope you got the interaction that you wanted. Yeah! Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. Yeah, man, make sure say you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Imagination. Oh, big up SpongeBob. But yeah, man, make sure say you also, what the next program I'm going to talk about in the countdown. Follow me on my social media at Dirty Berry Show on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. Yes, man, and please make sure you go check out my Oliver interview. Thanks for the comments so far. It has been pretty much positive and more interviews coming. Also, for advertising in the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. Bye-bye.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey. Boss cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.